Hello students, good morning. Let us start today's lecture on ellipse. So now I am explaining the last concept of the ellipse, last problem of the ellipse. Here let us see. If y is equal to mx and ellipse 2x square plus y square equal to 1 intersect at P in the first quadrant, if normal to the ellipse at P meets coordinate axis at minus 1 by 3 root 3 comma 0 and 0 comma beta, find the beta value. This is a previous year question. Okay, let us discuss how to solve this question. So given ellipse is what? 2x square plus y square is equal to 1. I can write as x square by half plus y square by 1 is equal to 1. This is the equation of the ellipse. A square is equal to half and b square is equal to 1. So a value less than b. So we can write it is a vertical ellipse. So I can write this is a vertical ellipse, correct? It's a vertical ellipse. And he's saying this is a ellipse is given 2x square plus y square equal to 1. And one more line, y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx is a line intersecting the ellipse at P. At P point it is intersecting. He's saying that if y is equal to mx, ellipse intersect at P in the first quadrant, it is in the first quadrant, it is intercept. If normal to the ellipse, means here, if this is a tangent here, then the normal to the ellipse, so this is the axis, okay, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, normal to the ellipse meets the coordinate axis, at minus 1 by 3 root 3 comma 0 and here is 0 comma beta, that is they said. Then he's saying what is the value of beta is the question mark. What is the value of beta is going to ask. He's asking to find the value of beta. So first we have to find the equation of the tangent. Equation of the normal to the ellipse is the formula is a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. This is the equation of the normal. So this is equal to what I can write here, a square is 1 by 2 x upon x1 minus b square value is 1 y upon y1 minus a square minus b square, that is 1 by 2 minus 1. Hope you have understand. Here a square value half, b square value 1. I substituted in this formula. Now you got the equation of the ellipse, correct? Normal. Now you can write this is x by 2x1 minus y by y1 is equal to minus half. This is the equation of the ellipse. Now this equation of the ellipse is intersecting the x-axis. So if it is intersecting the x-axis, y is equal to 0, I can substitute here. Therefore, I will get the x value. So if I substitute y is equal to 0 in the given ellipse, given normal, and then substitute in first equation. So what I am going to get here, x upon 2x1 minus 0 upon y1 is equal to minus half. So from here what I am getting here, y is equal to 0 I put here because it is intersecting the x-axis. So x upon 2x1 is equal to minus half. These 2 and 2 cancel out. So therefore I am getting here x is equal to minus x1. As you know that x is equal to minus x1 you got. So here if you compare this x, what is the value of x here? X is minus 1 by 3 root 3. So x1 will become minus 1 by 3 root 3 I am going to get. x1 I am going to get minus 1 upon 3 root 3 because x is this, because y I substituted 0, this is x. If this is x, then x1 will be minus 1 upon 3 root 3 because x1 is equal to minus x here, x is equal to minus x1 here. Therefore, I got x1 is equal to minus 1 by 3 root 3. This value I will put here. So let's see, substituting in first equation what I get here, minus 1 upon, minus x upon 2 into 1 upon 3 root 3 minus y upon y1 is equal to minus half. From this I am going to get the values here. See here, in the question they given 3 by Yeah, root 2 it is given. Okay, 3 by root 2 it is given. So here I am going to get x1 value is 3 by root 2 here I am going to get. And you know that here the equation of the ellipse is 2x square plus y square is equal to 1, and the point is x1 comma y1, P is the x1 comma y1 point. Okay, therefore here P is x1 comma y1. When I substituted y is equal to 0, I got x is equal to minus x1, correct? X is equal to minus x1. So here x1 is equal to, this is x1. This will be the x1, right? This is the x1. So what is I am going to get here? This is the equation of the ellipse. So x is equal to minus x1. Here I got x is equal to minus x1. It means x1 is equal to minus x. x1 is equal to minus x. What is x here? 1 upon 3 root 2. X is 1 upon 3 root 2. X is here, this is y and this is x. X is here minus 1 upon 3 root 2. So therefore x1 will be minus of minus. This is I get as plus 1 upon 3 root 2 I will get. Hope you have understood here. This is x1, this is x and y, this is x and y. So here when I substituted here y0, I got x is equal to minus x1. So what I am going to find? I am going to find x1 here. x1 is equal to what I am getting? Minus x. So x is what here? This is minus 1 upon 3 root 2 is the x. So x1 will be what? Plus 1 upon 3 root 2 will be the answer. Now this x1 y1 is also a point on the ellipse. This is also satisfying the point on the ellipse. What is the equation of the ellipse? 2x square plus y square equal to 1 is the equation of the ellipse, and this is satisfying that 2x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 1 because x1 comma y1 is passing through this. So now what I do here, this x1 value I will put here. So I will get y1 value. So what will be the x1 value if I put here? x1 value will be 1 upon 3 root 2 whole square. What I am doing here, I am trying to find out this point. So I had find all the x value here. So I am going to find now y value. Is it okay? So when I am finding the y value, 2 into 1 upon 3 root 2 whole square plus y1 square is equal to 1. I am finding this y1 value. So 2 into 1 upon 3 square is 9 and root 2 square is 2 plus y1 square is equal to 1. Is it okay? So here you can say that 2 into 1 square is 1 and 3 square is 9, 2 square. So 2 gets cancelled out. y1 square is equal to 1 minus 1 by 9. So y1 square is equal to, I got as 9 minus 1, that is 8 by 9. y1 square is 8 by 9 I got. Is it okay? So 8 by 9. So y1 value, I have to get the y1 value. So here that is very important right now. So what is y1 value here? So y1 value square root if I do here, y1 is 8 square. So y1 value is 2 root 2 by 3. Because square root of 8 is 2 root 2 and square root of 9 is 3. So I hope you have understood now. I repeat again to make you understand the clear picture of this whole question. It's a very good question here. If y is equal to mx is a line and the ellipse intersecting in the first quadrant at P, if a normal is drawn from the P, that normal is intersecting x-axis and y-axis at this particular points. Now what is asking to find the beta? So what I took the ellipse equation 2x square plus y square equal to 1. The equation I checked, it is a vertical equation, so I have done it. And then after what I have done is first I have find the equation of the normal. This is the formula. In that a square value, b square value I substituted, you got this. So you have equation of the ellipse here. You have the equation of the ellipse here. Then after this we have done that, we have substituted y is equal to 0 in this. We have substituted y is equal to 0 in this. So here see, this is the equation of the ellipse. This is the equation of the equation of the normal. Then after from here I substituted y is equal to 0 in the first equation. Therefore, I got x here it is 0. So 2x by 2x1 is equal to minus half. That is, I cancelled out. X is equal to minus x1 I got. Therefore, x1 value I got as, because I need to find this x1. So x1 value I got as minus x. This is already minus x value is minus 1 by 3 root t. So here minus into minus plus I got. And this you see, you don't confuse here where I have completed. I have started the question answer here. Okay, I have completed this. Then I started from here substituting y is equal to 0. Then I got x1 is equal to 1 upon 3 root 2. And this value x1 is equal to 1 upon 3 root 2 I substituted in the ellipse, because this point is also passing through the ellipse. I have took the ellipse equation here. I substituted x1 value here. So I got the y1 value. So I got y1 value, x1 value. Now I want to find the beta value. So if I substitute y is equal to 0 in this, x is equal to 0 in this normal. So I am going to get the beta values, right? Actually, this normal is intersecting x-axis by axis. So now what I am going to do here, x is equal to 0, substitute in the first equation. If I substitute in the first equation, so I get as 0 by 2x1 minus y by y1 is equal to minus half. So from here I am going to get as y by y1 is equal to minus half. So minus minus cancel out. Y value I am getting y1 by 2, means y value is nothing but beta here. So beta value is y1 by 2 is the answer. So beta value is how much? y1 by 2. And as you have got, beta value is y1 by 2, correct? So that is what I have to find. So beta is equal to, what was the y1 here? y1 is 2 root 2 upon 3. So into 2 into 3. So 2 gets cancelled out. So beta value is root 2 by 3 is the right answer. This is a JEE previous year question. Hope you have understood this problem. I'll explain again. I will explain again to make you understand. Okay, everyone, let's see, listen to me. First the question was this, y is equal to mx, and this is a parabol ellipse and is a line intersecting in the first quadrant, and normal to the ellipse is intersecting the coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis at this point, Now what you need to do here, equation of the normal I have taken, a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. As the given in this, a square value substituted, b square value substituted, you got the equation of the normal. In this, I substituted y is equal to 0. So I substituted y is equal to 0 in this, y is equal to 0. So therefore I got x1 is equal to 1 by 3 root 2. So x is equal to minus x1 relation I got. So x1 is equal to minus x. So from this is the x. So x1 value we got it, minus 1 upon 3 root 2 I got. x1 value 1 upon 3 root 2. So if the x1 value is 1 upon 3 root 2, because here I can directly substitute here, right? X is not required. x1 is minus, x1 is equal to minus x. So just you have to substitute x1 is equal to 1 upon 3 root 2. This value we have substituted in the equation of the ellipse. Equation of the ellipse is this. And this ellipse is passing through this point also, substituted this point in this, and this x1 value we have substituted here. Therefore we got the y1 value, and this normal is also intersecting y-axis. So we substituted x is equal to 0. So y value got y1 by 2. So beta is equal to y1 by 2 we got. So y1 value, whatever you have y1 value 2 into root 2 by 3, we substituted in this. So we got the beta value is 2 by root 3. This is the answer. Hope you have understand. We'll see next question.